Objective and use case. What you'll build: a defensive auditing framework using a Lattice ECP5 FPGA ULX3S board to detect unauthorized peripheral attachments, such as legacy PS divided by 2 interception devices, in industrial control systems, ICS. Educational safety note: this tutorial focuses strictly on defensive physical security. The provided FPGA bitstream does not decode, intercept, or store keystrokes. It operates purely as a timing anomaly detector on the PS divided by 2 clock line to identify rogue inline devices, which often introduce clock stretching or jitter, without compromising user privacy or system integrity. Why it matters divided by use cases. Physical endpoint protection secures legacy interfaces against physical surveillance tools and rogue hardware insertions with sub-5 ms detection latency. Hardware trust anchors validates peripheral electrical and timing authenticity before granting input access to critical ICS infrastructure. Defensive auditing continuously monitors legacy ports to prevent unauthorized data exfiltration without impacting system performance. Audience: hardware security engineers, ICS administrators. Level: advanced.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point: if you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.